My daily routine. My name is Kevin and I am 26 years old. From Monday to Friday in the morning, I get up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth, get dressed, and have get class. Then I take classes and study. In the afternoon, I have lunch and continue with my activities. I do my homework and sometimes I watch TV. I also spend some time with my family. In the evening, I finish my